So baby, when next am I going to see you? I miss you.
I don't know yet.
Okay, tell me you miss me.
Oh
yeah, now. Okay, baby, tell me you miss me now. Don't you miss me? Oh, babe, just tell me you miss me. I want to hear it. Okay, babe, just hold on, okay? Stay on the call, okay? I just need to pick this up. Hello?
Hello? My name is Dr. Smile.
Oh, hello, sir.
I would like to book a session with the therapist.
Okay, would you like a...
How is next week Wednesday?
Okay, next week Wednesday is fine.
That is fine by me. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir, for calling.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you.
So where were we?
I was about to say goodbye.
No, you were about to tell me how much you miss me. So I'm listening. Tell me how much you miss me. Babe, don't listen to that. I'm here. Come on, talk to me.
You see, you have work to do. Just focus on work.
Just stay on the call, okay? 1 minute. I promise I won't be long. Hello?
Yeah, I'm calling from Blink's airline.
Oh, okay, sir. How may I help you?
Can I book the session for next week?
Okay.
Can I book the session for the 14th?
14th is fine.
Okay.
Thank you so much for calling.
Yeah, bye.
All right, bye. Okay, I'm all yours.
Hi. People have often wondered what makes a fantastic therapist. Well, apart from the fact that I studied in Harvard and I finished greatly, I must confess that I have always had a natural gift.
I should say a divine gift for this job. It's no surprise I have big clients. Clients like my celebrity couple.
So, what were we saying? Just tell me you miss... Welcome, sir.
How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Good.
Don't forget that I also have companies as clients.
I attend to their staff from time to time,
An airline in particular. Learning to observe yourself allows you to observe others better. So, where was I? Yes. I was talking to you about the kind of clients that I have, having studied abroad. It shouldn't surprise you that I've got foreign clients. But what should surprise you is that one of these foreign clients is actually an undercover agent. MI6. Exciting, right? Good. So now, Guess who my biggest client is? The president. Our president. The president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is my biggest client. I think you should stop wondering what a glass of whiskey is doing in the hands of a therapist. The very Apostle Paul admonishes us to drink no longer water, but little wine for thy stomach's sake and thine often infirmities. With the class of clients that I have, you can imagine the depth of infirmities that I now bear. Whoa. Goodness.
Hello, sir.
Tinu, my office right now.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Tinu,
Yes, sir.
you scheduled all the clients on the gold shelf on the same date.
I think I... Jesus Christ, sir, I am so sorry. I thought I like...
You thought it was a birthday party or a film show? Or what? How could you make such a mistake?
I'm so sorry, sir.
Get out of my office.
I'm really, really sorry, sir. Please, sir, I'm so sorry.
You're sorry.
Yes, sir.
You're sorry. That's probably what I should tell the president when he discovers that I have put him alongside other citizens in a single section, right? Is that? Just get out of my office. Just get out. A Harvard graduate is never without a solution. It is interesting to see you all looking good. Amazing. Okay, I won't want to bore you with an opening at all, okay? So, I had looked into all our files in the past 1 month, and I came to this therapeutic idea of having everyone here in the same room at the same time. Now that we all have been diagnosed to have similar situations, eventful, and consequently, my training in Harvard would only suggest that we solve our individual issues as a collective. Having said that, we will all have to take turns to talk about why you contacted us, okay? Remember, good people, no foul languages, no hate speeches. Just kindly tell us the stories that led you to this room.
Well, I thought this event was going to be different from the other ones, seeing that I had several conversations with my husband beforehand.
Beautiful evening to you and welcome to Laugh Up Live 20.0. This is the Faji experience and everybody is actually turned out. You can see that I'm actually donning my own native attire. I have a lot of people on the lineup already. There is Alibaba coming through. There is Laugh Up himself performing. There is Remote. There is Babatumishe coming. So all you have to do is just sit back and relax. I'm going to be taking you through this. My name is Bolabat. Of course, this is Tisali TV. Come along with me as I walk through people's Faji experience together.
So we had not even started the event, he was already distracted. And I mean, this was just the red carpet. And my husband's eyes was just everywhere. We couldn't even have a good photograph. How I wish I had left that event that very moment. I asked the photographer to delete all the pictures. I mean, if the blogs had their hands on any of those photos, the headlines, Dr. Smile and Aisha Lawal at the verge of breakup would have been a very perfect headline. What have I not said? What have I not done? Who haven't I gone to just to demand attention from my husband, who clearly thinks everything is a good comedy material for his next joke? Well, I was still patient with hopes that his senses would bounce back to normal. Guess what? This man finished his performance, and instead of coming back to me, he left me there. What can I do?
You obviously agreed with our story. Hence the silence, right?
Oh, it is fine. It is fine. Okay. So, tell us your story.
I have liked him since I got employed at the airport in 2018.
Sex and designer. I am a tanga. Queen of the night. This one records beautiful night. Ojojo, Calabar. Carry bomb like Calabash. Body on a slim and a low way. Wish you did party that go past way.
I mean, who wouldn't admire and have a huge crush on him? He's tall, so fine, very intelligent, and god damn it, he's hilarious. I've shown all the green light that I knew ever existed, but this young man wouldn't just give me a chance. But now, we're at Mira's wedding and it's the closest I'd ever gotten to be with him. Shoot my shot now, or just keep praying that you'll deceive me.
He said, my note is in your
Regret. Talk about regret. The young man had just been yarning since we got to the party. Good thing we had a plate of small chops, so I decided to feed him. Shebi is love now.
You are very correct.
I felt the ground should open and get me consumed immediately.
Do you know you're very rude?
So, is it me you're referring to?
Oh yes. You. Who exactly do you think you are? Oh, because you are a pilot now, we should not rest. exactly do you think you are? How on earth did you even become a pilot? Don't just excuse me. Oh, what are you feeling like? Like a Nigerian Denzel? Hey, don't just excuse me. Don't just excuse me. So you think you're fine? Or you think you're funny? Or because somebody is admiring you, so you think you're all in all? You're James Bond or something? Is that it? Excuse me. You are not fine. You are ugly. You are ugly. You look like a lion. No, sorry. A dirty pig. That's what you look like. You are not even funny. Instead of me to listen to you, cracks all this your dumb, stupid, silly jokes, I'd rather go to a funeral. You're not saying, I don't even like you. I don't like you. And that's the truth. I have to let you know I don't like you. Don't excuse me! Don't excuse me! You're saying rubbish. You're laughing, you're talking, one secondary school, one university. And so, we should kill ourselves and die because you will die. Excuse me!
I cannot just sit back and allow you to talk that way to me.
This allow me to talk. And you cannot hold me from talking. And I will talk again. I will talk it. What?
We will only resume at the office after scheduling an appointment with a therapist.
I really don't know what I'm doing here. You can see what's the problem here, clearly.
Easy. See, I know tempers are gradually rising, but I need to remind you of why we are here. It is perhaps to get help, okay? So, we will do so with gentleness. Please go on.
I work as an undercover agent for MI6, but my operations do not give me the chance to work when other men are most active.
Growing up in Nigeria as a young man, it is almost customary that after getting a good job, your next stop is getting a good woman and proceeding to the altar of marriage. All my friends made their significant others at night. Saying that we do the same job. So, here I am, with the hopes that she's got to be here tonight. I concluded it was a bad night. I went looking for a wife material, not a cancer patient in waiting. I was just about to leave when suddenly I witnessed one of the most radiant moment entrances of my life.
How are you? How is it? What's happening?
So, you don't do liquor?
What are you flying?
Oh, wow. May I?
since you are not doing liquor, I'll let this go as well. Please, get me water too. Yeah, water. Hi, I'm Stanley. Do you come here regularly or is your first time?
Well, my work demands that I do so. So yes, frequently, with every nightlife space you can ever imagine.
Oh, fantastic. Wow. Is that your brand?
Mr. Starling, I know what you want. The night is not getting any younger. Hand job, $500. Blow job, $1,000. In your car, $2,000. And the hotel, $2,050. I know you're a married man and I won't want to defile your bed.
Wow.
The dissatisfaction with finding her is gradually affecting my dealings with the MI6. And I guess that is why you were contacted.
I see. Beautiful people, I'm happy to inform you that His Excellency would also be joining us in this session via Zoom. Okay, so His Excellency, I am humbled that you trusted me with helping you to get better at life. So, please tell us your story.
Thank you for having me, and yes, I'm meant to be there with you, but situations beyond me have kept me away. I'm sorry. I hope you would understand. So my story. I've been involved in commissioning projects right, left, and center. Naira, on the other hand, have kept us on our toes to meet our expected value. But Nigerians on social media still think you're not worth managing a primary school, talk more of a community. Your wife, who you genuinely care for, ought to be carried along always, isn't happy with you the way she should be. But I know one day, she'll be all I'll be left with to manage.
Good morning, Nigeria. You're welcome to Unredo Conference Radio. My name is MC Password and you're tuned to Unredo Conference. Ladies and gentlemen, with me in the studio is
Abisade Adedayo. We had the first edition in the city of Ibadan and it was mind-blowing. We have the like of Peteru, who is in Ibadan. And now for the latest edition of Unredo Conference. I am honored to introduce our guest who will be with us soon. We're expecting him. We are talking of no other than the first man of the nation, His Excellency, the President. And he's not going to be coming alone. He's coming with his first lady.
Eagle 5, we're exactly 7 kilometers to the venue. Any update?
Clear. And awaiting the arrival of His Excellency and the First Lady.
First Lady?
Oh, yes, the President is expected to come in with the First Lady.
First Lady?
I know I'm already doing a bad thing, and I can't promise I won't fail at it in future. I really don't know what to do.
So, at this point, I think we all need to go for a water break, and we will be back here in 5. I see all our lives are really eventful. Beautiful stories. Interesting. Lesson to learn. But in all, I am just saying it. Collaboration is important. Dealing with people, learning to tolerate people is as well important. Trust me, you can't do it all alone. You can't. If you need to climb the ladder, somehow, somewhere, somebody will have to hold the ladder for you so that the ladder doesn't fall off and you fall with the ladder. So the person holding the ladder is as important as you. All I am saying is, if we all can work together in truth and in spirit, oneness, sincerity, no backbiting, no trying to kill the person and you rising, we all can rise. We all can fly. The sky is big enough for all the birds to fly, and we all can achieve together. If we can do that, this country will be a better place for every one of us to live in. Oneness, in truth and in spirit.
Learning to observe yourself allows you to observe others better.